Understanding online coding assessments.
Online coding assessments are a common part of tech job interviews. They test problem-solving, algorithmic thinking, and coding skills, often under strict time limits. Knowing what to expect helps reduce anxiety and improves your performance. Companies may use platforms like HackerRank or Codility, so familiarize yourself with these formats before the real assessment.
Review core concepts and languages.
Brush up on fundamental data structures and algorithms, such as arrays, linked lists, trees, sorting, and searching. Practice coding in the language specified by the employer, usually Python, Java, or C++. Work through common interview problems and understand their solutions, as similar questions often appear in actual assessments.
Practice with timed mock tests.
Simulate real assessment conditions by taking mock tests under time constraints. Use reputable websites that offer a variety of practice problems and time challenges. This helps improve your speed, accuracy, and familiarity with the test environment. Analyze your mistakes to strengthen weak areas before the actual assessment.
Master test strategies and environment.
Learn to read questions carefully. Plan your approach and write clean, readable code. Pay attention to test cases and edge conditions. Set up your computer to minimize distractions and ensure a stable internet connection. Have scratch paper ready for planning and close unrelated tabs during the test.
Build confidence through consistent practice.
Consistent, focused practice is key. Set aside regular study sessions to maintain momentum. Review past assessments, relevant technical concepts, and try new problem types. Remember, preparation is a gradual process, so track your progress and celebrate improvements along the way. Going into the assessment with confidence will give you the best chance to succeed.